Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek
Adventures. Danny, where are we today?
We are at the church studio.
Let's go adventuring! The church studio is located on Studio Row in the Pearl District at the corner of East 3rd Street and South Trenton Avenue in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
The church studio was purchased in 1972 by Leon Russell, and it became the home office and recording studio for his record label, Shelter Records. Here we go! The building's history began in 1915 when it was built as the Grace M.E. Church. It was one of Tulsa's very first churches. As the years went on, the building changed hands through multiple churches and congregations. No wonder Leon Russell named it the Church Studio.
Leon Russell's not his real name. Do you know that?
It's like a stage name?
Yeah.
Shelter Records was founded by Leon Russell and Denny Cordell. Their original logo was an upside-down Superman logo inside of an egg until legal action from DC Comics forced them to make a change. They kept the egg and replaced the logo with a more handwritten S.
Many artifacts from Leon's life and career are on display in this room, including his iconic canes. Leon was born with cerebral palsy, which affected the right side of his body. The impact that it had on his right hand specifically influenced his piano playing by forcing him to play left-hand dominant.
Look like piano keys,
Oh, yeah!
piano wire. You're going to see a tan jacket later in the tour that kind of inspired the tan leather on here.
Okay.
Leon liked baseball, and in particular, he liked Mickey Mantle because he was from Oklahoma. So this is baseball stitching right here.
Oh. Our tour guide Willis really made this experience stand out. He had so much knowledge and loved sharing with us. We reserved a private tour for the two of us, which was $25 per person, and we highly suggest requesting Willis as your tour docent if you go this direction. Group tours are also very popular, and we urge you to plan a visit.
This outdoor area is used to host weekend concerts and other events when the weather is nice. Live music performances occur every Saturday at noon.
There are two displays in the hallway that rotate exhibits. The first one contains the magic mirror from the Carney album cover.
This thing is awesome. This display showcases artifacts from the Tractors and their platinum plaque celebrating over 2 million sales of their album.
This upcoming photograph you are about to see was put together by Leon's longtime photographer Linda Wolf and is a real work of art.
Whoa, oh, that was so cool. That was so cool.
What? That's awesome.
That's awesome.
The newest addition to the church is this lounge area where you can get drinks during your visit. We would like to take a second to acknowledge Teresa Knox, who along with her husband Ivan purchased the dilapidated building in 2016. The building needed extensive repairs, and renovating it to where it is today took 5 years. Teresa is the CEO of the church studio, and without her, this museum and studio would not be what it is today. She was also able to get the church studio on the National Register of Historic Places. The museum archive has around 5,000 pieces and is a reflection of life, love, and music. It is a showcase of the building history, Leon Russell, Shelter Records, the Tulsa Sound, and more.
GAP is an acronym for Greenwood Archer Pond. That was their neighborhood.
Okay.
And there were the three standing are the Wilson brothers.
The church studio is a living, breathing studio, and musicians still record music here to this day. The second floor of the building houses 2 recording studios. The main studio is used by musicians, and the smaller studio is used for podcasting and smaller audio projects. We were unable to film any of the recording areas due to active sessions happening at the time of our tour. Speaking of this being an active recording studio, they also have a music production program. So if anyone is interested in learning audio engineering, it is called the Church Studio Institute.
Where are we?
We are in the Church Studio merch shop.
Click the link in the video description to book a tour, see upcoming events, learn additional history about the church studio, or book studio time for you or your band. Have you ever recorded at the church studio? If you have, be sure to let us know in the comments.
The belfry is where the church bells were located on the original building. This space is now a neat room to kick back and listen to the Tulsa sound.
Adventurers, thanks for spending your time with us here at the church studio in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
If you want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this one a like.
We'll see you on our next adventure.